update sets. So update sets. So whatever the code that we developed, right? So if you want to move that code from one environment to other environment, we use update sets in ServiceNow. Update sets are used to capture the customization or configuration updates and we move this update sets from one instance to other instance. Okay, so what are the code or the functionality that we develop in a particular instance, right? We move that code from one instance to other instance using update sets, okay, in ServiceNow. So there are two methods actually. Moving the update sets. So there are two methods of moving the update sets from one instance to other instance. One is through export to XML. Second, update sources. So these are two methods. So what are the steps involved in update sets movement? First is complete move the update set status to completed. Second, in the target instance, retrieve preview commit the update set. So these steps are popularly asked in the certification exam. What are the steps involved in update set movement? So first step you need not mention. So retrieve, preview, and commit. These three steps are the main three steps. And we'll see these methods. What are these methods? And for these two methods, these steps are used. For these two methods, these steps are used. What do you mean by export to XML? So we'll first see what are the methods. Methods are already discussed. So what update sets can capture? We'll see. Tables and fields configuration. scripts like business rules, client scripts, skid access controls, third, etc. etc. So all the scripts will be captured. Okay, workflows, published, state, system properties, notifications, catalog items, right? So these things we can expect the update sets to capture. What update sets cannot capture is data changes on tables, like state change on the records, state change on the records, or records creations on the tables. So these come under data changes. Schedule jobs, personalized list changes, right? So these are the things. So generally update sets will capture the updates. Observe carefully here. In real time, if you're working on any development, right? Before development, you should create your own update set, right? For example, we created some couple of notifications, right? So my custom table 4. So I'm checking for notifications. Click on it. So these are the 3 notifications, right? We worked on. Now, before starting development of these notifications, what we generally do is we create one update set. Before starting development, we create an update set. Okay. Generally naming convention will be something like this. So module project prefix underscore module underscore story number underscore short description underscore username underscore date underscore version. So this is how naming convention will be for the update set. So what do I mean by project prefix? So if you're working for a project, every project will have some prefix, right? So that project prefix should be used at the starting. Module, in which module you're working? Is it ITSM or ITBM or CMDB? Which module you are working? That module you should give. Story number. So we got this requirements, right, to create notifications. So how this requirement will be given to you? It will be given in the form of a story. So story will have story number. So that number you should give here. Okay. Next, description. So description of this particular requirement. What are you trying to configure? Notifications, right? So notification for work nodes change, notification for state change, notification for record insert. So the description you will give here. Username. Who created these notifications? Who is going to create? So that user's username. Date. Date on which you are starting the work. So date. Version. Version is nothing but every update set will be given with some version, something like version 1.0, all right, or we version 1.1. So it starts with 0 and it goes with 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So a test update set could be something like this. Sample update set could be something like this. Okay. So this is sample update set. You see here, project prefix I'm giving it as test. And next module is ITSM. Story number. Next, I'm not giving description here, but you can give description as well. Username could be this one. Date, on which date the update set has been created, this date. Version is version 1.0. So this could be the naming that you can give, right? And you see here for this update set. So on the top right, you're seeing the name. So this name. So prefix, module, description, story number, username, date, version, right? So this way you will define the update set. Observe carefully here. In this update set, if I open, I see couple of things. So let's discuss about them. So this is the name of the update set, and this is a status. So whenever you're creating any update set and you're trying to capture some updates, state should be in progress. In progress. Okay. You can't capture something in completed update set. Okay. In progress, and all these things are not needed. Description. Give what this update set mean. Why you created this update set, and you mention the details here. Story number and details of that particular story you can mention. That means what is the main idea of creating this update set, what this update set is going to capture. Who created this user, what date, this date, and see a customer updates here. Let me change it in progress, right? So you see customer updates. So these are the updates, it is captured in this update set. Customer updates related list will capture all the updates as part of this story. So now this story has only fixed script captured. Likewise, you can capture business rules, client script. Script includes tables, fields creation, catalog items, depending upon the requirement. Okay, you will capture the updates in the particular update set, right? So let's take few more update sets. So this update set captured system property. So this is system property. So this update set captured business rule. This is a business rule. This is one more business rule, and this is a dictionary entry of the incident, right? So this way you can capture the updates. Let's try to make some work on some requirement and let's see, right? So what we will do, we'll take some existing table problem, or what we'll do, okay, fine, no problem. Same requirement which we worked, notifications, right? So we worked on my custom table 4, right? We worked on my custom table 4, but let's work this on problem table, because now the requirement is create a notification on work nodes or trigger a notification when work nodes is added on the problem record. Send notification to assignment group and reported by user. So this is on the problem record. It means open the problem table, right? Open a record. So we have work nodes here, and then do we have reported by option, or else what we'll do, we'll just ignore this reported by user. We'll just see assignment group. Trigger a notification when work nodes is added on the problem record. Send notification to assignment group. So this is a requirement now. I received this requirement with the story number, something like this. Okay, so this is a story number I received, and this requirement is this. Now before starting the development, what we will do, we'll have to create one update set. Okay, type update sets in the left navigator. Okay, you see some couple of modules here: update sources, retrieved update sets, local update sets, merge complete update sets, right? So all these update sets, some of them are important, which we are going to see. So first, use this local update sets to create new update set. Okay, so these are all the list of update sets in the system. Now click on new. Okay, so this is a new update set, and remove this name, give some fresh name. Can say something like US. So my project prefix starts with US, for example. So I'm giving US. ITSM. Problem module belongs to ITSM, so I'm giving ITSM. Next, story number. So take this reference for naming convention. Okay, story number. So this is a story number. Underscore. Next, description of the story. So I'm saying notify for work notes. Okay, so this is the description I'm giving. Who is a user? I'm the user. Date, today's date, that is 04/07/2022, right? Underscore version 1.0. So this is update set naming convention. Is this clear? I'm creating this update set now. So in the name, mention the update set name and make it as submit. Now create the record now using submit or submit and make current. What is submit and make current? Submit means a new update set record will be created. Okay, a new update set record will be created. Submit and make current means a record will be created, new update set record will be created, but it is made as current. Current means you can capture the updates now in this current update set. Submit means just going to create the update set, but it is not going to be made as current. But submit and make current means you're going to create the update set and you're going to make this update set as current update set. So you'll capture the updates in the current update set. So anyway you can create through any method, any button click. For example, click on submit. Now this is update set, right? Which we created. Open this. So this record is created. Now what you should do? You should open this record, come here and make this as current update set. Make this my current update set. Click on this. Okay. Now go to the home screen. Now here you see this is called update set. Now here is a place where we see the update set. Right, in the starting class I said we'll be discussing it later, right, when we discuss on update sets. So now this is the right situation. So on the banner frame you're seeing some option here. This is called update set selection. Now we have made the update set as current. This update set as current. So by default you will see default selected here. But now if you refresh now, you see the update set which we made as current. That is selected now. That is selected now. See, that is selected, right? That means you're making the update set as current using this related link. At the time of update set creation also, you see submit and make current. When you click on submit and make current, you are making that update set as current. That means it is selected here. Now whatever the script you write, whatever the configuration or you write, notification you write, everything will be captured in the current update set. In the current update set. Now how can you see this current update set? There is a shortcut here. See here, view current update set. Click on this. See here, this is the current update set and there is nothing here captured. We didn't capture anything yet. Is the update set clear? Creation part.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Others, yeah, fine. Thank you. Now we created it. Now let's work on the requirement. Trigger a notification when work notes is added on the problem record. Send notification to the assignment group. So we know we already worked on this requirement, but on different table. So we'll see. We'll create a similar notification and we'll create similar things for this requirement as well. So what are the steps we followed for creating this notification? First, we created an event, right, in the event registry table. So where is that event registry? Open that. So this one only, right, we created. For work notes change, this is the event which we created. Right. Now we'll create a similar event. Just hold on. So we'll create a similar event. Click on new. So copy this name. So give the name as on problem. Work notes change on problem. This is a name. Select the table. Which table? Problem. So select the problem table and fired by. So let us give this later, but save it. So first part is event creation. Go to your current update set. This one is right. See, event registration update is captured. So this is a update name. Event registration is captured in the update set. After update set, after event registration, what is the next step? Call the event in the business rule. So what was the business rule which we configured on my custom table 4, right? Open the business rules. So this was a business rule. Let's open it. So this is a business rule. This is created on my custom table 4. Now let me create similar on problem table. Click on new business rule. Say notify for work notes change. So table selection, problem table. Right? Click on advanced. Before update. Before update work notes changes. Same thing I'm doing. No change. Copy the script. Paste it here. So current.get value of work notes. So field name is work underscore notes. Okay. Next. Reported by we are not giving, and this also comment it gs.event queue, and we'll give our event name. Give it here, and this is fine. This is also fine. This will be empty. Save it. Right. So now this is going to be captured in the update set. See, business rule is captured. Name of the business rule. What type of operation it is? Insert or update. So we created these two entries, right? So we did insert, or we might have updated it. It could be insert or update. So if you're trying to delete some business rule or delete some event or delete any record, so kind of action will be delete instead of insert or update. So it will be delete, right? So what is the next step? Configure the email script, right? So what was our email script? Email script. So this was right. Open this. So now create similar. Work notes. Sorry. Work notes dot changed. You can give underscore, no problem. No need to give dot. Say problem underscore work notes underscore changed. Right. So this is the email script name I'm giving, and copy the script. Right. So second parameter not needed. This is also not needed. Right. Save it. Right. Now come to this update set. Click on this update set option. So email script is also captured. Following everybody?
Yes, sir.
So now what is the next step? Configure the notification with type as event is fired. So notifications, So similar notification to be configured. So we'll create. So this is a existing one. Let's create new one. Notify assignment group for work nodes change on PRP. PRP means problem. Select problem table, right? Next, send when type as event is filed. Select the event. What is our event? So this is our event, right? Work node change follow, right? Right. Who will receive? Select the recipient. Assignment group. What it will contain? Configure the notification as similarly this. Copy, paste. Next, copy and then paste. Status could be on problem record. It should be normal state, not status. Okay. Mail script name. Give proper mail script name. Mail script is this, right? Copy this. Take notepad. Type problem underscore work notes underscore changed. Okay. Save. Open any problem record. Right. So verify updates it. So notification is also captured. It means these are the 4 updates as part of this update set, as part of the story. Now this story is having this requirement, and this requirement contains these 4 updates. Now let's first test it whether it is working fine or not. Okay, let's test it. Do we have any assignment group here? Add it. Latest update 2. right? Post, add it. Verify the email logs, right? It is triggered. No, not this one. It did not trigger. Yeah, notification triggered. Right, this is a notification, and let's preview it. So this is the latest update. Why you're not why number is not showing up here? We gave incorrect field name. Okay, we gave incorrect field name. Observe carefully here. Number is just number. It's not u underscore number. It is just number. So let us correct that. Okay, this one, right? So here modify it, just number. Save it. Okay. Now again try it. Now user is showing. Right. Save. So make some changes to it. Now again, try to add some work notes. So now it is changed. Work notes added for the problem record, and next step will be how to move the update set from one environment to other environment. So we captured these changes in development environment, but in real time you will capture updates in do the development in dev environment, and you will move to the test environment. That's also a ServiceNow instance, but it is called as test environment. Is this clear up till now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Tomorrow we'll see how can we move this update set from this environment to next environment. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Keep practicing. Go through the recordings and keep practicing regularly.
Okay.